Good Wednesday morning, and thanks for checking out your forecast update on another very cold morning. Just the same story, different day here with temperatures in the single digits and lower teens. We will get a little bit warmer today, and at least we will see plenty of sunshine. Here's a look at that forecast. Mostly sunny today, a high that should get up to 28. That's about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, so we'll take it. Still way below our average high of 47, but we'll gradually get there as we get closer to the weekend. But before that, we do have a bit of a bump in the road here with a system coming in tomorrow, which will bring some snow to the area here. It looks like that snow arrives especially by the evening Thursday. I think mid to late afternoon we could start to see some snow showers become more widespread later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then we'll see snow showers gradually exit going into Friday morning. But we could see about 1 to 3 inches of snow across the area here Thursday evening and Thursday night. And then for the weekend, still tracking a potent storm system, which looks to bring plenty of rain our way for later on Saturday. And then the Saturday night, winds will start to pick up as well. But look at the temperature. This is the great news here. Getting back to 54 on our Saturday, 50 on Sunday. Breezy to windy conditions on Sunday. But at least Sunday will be dry. And then early next week, not looking too bad. Highs in the mid-40s. A little bit of sunshine as well. It could get even warmer. Could see 60s here by Wednesday of next week. So at least it's looking up a little bit here in the extended forecast for now. That's all I have for your update this morning. Thanks for watching and have a great day.